Very good evening, children. Welcome to Akshara online classes. This is the professor, your physics faculty. Let's start our session.
Yes. Good evening.
Very good evening. Yeah, in the last class we completed about refraction of light concept. In the refraction of light, we have learned what is refraction, what is refractive index, next relative refractive index, Snell's law, and how refraction takes place across the glass slab, and also we have learned total internal reflection and its applications. Now based on that, we'll do some problems, theory parts now. In the next class we'll learn what numericals. But now we'll learn theory questions. Understand? So shall I give the theory questions to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will give the theory questions. So this is your theory questions. So is it appearing theory questions? The theory questions appearing? Yeah. So look at the first question. The bending of the light ray, when it is traveling from one medium to other medium is called
Refraction.
okay. So option here, which option is correct? Option B is correct. Understand?
Yes.
Similar way, one more light ray. When a light ray passes from rarer medium to denser medium, so they are asking about the relation between the refracted angle and incident angle. So when light ray passes from rarer medium to denser medium, is asking about relation between incident angle and refracted angle. Which of the following is correct? Tell me which of the following is correct. Which of the following is correct?
B. R is greater than.
When light ray passing from rarer medium to denser medium, R is greater than D. Let's observe one here. Once here, this is the boundary of the two mediums. Now the light ray is traveling from which medium to which medium? Rarer medium to denser. When light ray traveling from rarer to denser, this is point of incident. This is your normal. This is your normal. In which direction the light ray will bend? Which direction the light ray will bend? Towards the normal or away from the normal?
Towards the north.
Towards the normal. So this is your normal. This is your refracted ray. Here, this is called this light ray. This angle is called what is the angle name?
Angle of incidence.
Very good. This is called
Angle of refraction.
refraction. Now tell me which one is appears greater, incident angle or refracted angle?
Incidence.
So what is the answer then?
Yes.
So yeah, which option is correct? A option is correct. Understand? Similar way, same question, similar kind. One more question they given. When light ray passes from denser medium to rarer medium, which option is correct? No, once again under the same situation, but it is a reverse way. So here, this light ray is called, this surface is called denser medium. This is rarer medium. The light ray traveling from where to where? Denser medium to rarer medium. This is your incident light ray. This is your refracted light ray. Am I right? In this case, this angle is called what kind of thing? Incident angle. This angle is called refracted angle. So which is greater? Which is greater here? Refracted angle.
Angle of refraction.
So what is the answer then?
B, sir.
B. Very good. Next, fourth question. A medium is Sorry, a medium in which speed of light is more is
There are
known.
mediums.
Yeah. So where are medium? Very good. Next, same way, a medium in which the speed of light is less known as.
Denser medium.
Very good. It's the denser medium. Next, the speed of light in air is. The speed of light in the air is. How much is the speed of the light air is?
2 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second.
No, it's not wrong. That is C is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. In the air or in the vacuum, what is the value of light speed? We represent with this letter C, 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So what is the option here?
A.
Yeah, very good. Same way, what is the seventh one? The unit of refractive index is. What is the unit of refractive index? So here, if you observe the refractive index formula, what is the refractive index formula? Generally, n is equal to. Tell me, n is equal to. Tell me.
Is equal to C. C by
C by V. Here, what is mean by C? What is mean by C? What is mean by C here?
speed of light in vacuum.
Yeah, speed of light in vacuum. What is the units for speed of light in vacuum? Meter per second only. What is V here?
Speed of light in medium.
Medium. Here also the units are meter per second only. So these both will cancel. What is the units for refractive index then?
No units.
So what is the option here?
A.
Yeah, very good. Same way, according to Snell's law, which one is correct? According to Snell's,
B.
what is
Option
the
B.
what is the option B here? Sin A by sin R is equal to constant. Very good, you are excellent. You are doing well. Nice. So can I go for the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go for the next slide. Yeah, this is your next slide.
Yes, sir.
Is it appearing? Yeah. So I will read the question. Look at the question. If the velocity of the light in vacuum is c and the velocity of light in the medium is v, then the refractive index of the medium is. So what is the option, right? So once again I am repeating the question. If the velocity of the light in vacuum is c, velocity of light in medium is v, then the refractive index of the medium is. The refractive index of the medium is.
U is equal to C by V, sir.
So what is the option then?
C.
Very good. Option C is correct. You are right. Next, the refractive index of the medium is always. What is the refractive index of the medium is always? Which option is right? So here always greater than 1,
Less than.
not less than 1, greater than 1. So sorry, it is representing less than 1, greater than 1. Understand? Always greater than 1 it represents.
Yes.
Understand? Next, one more thing is atmospheric refraction apparent depth critical angle. In that, first one is twinkling of stars is due to. Because of
Atmospheric refraction, sir.
when I explain this twinkling of the stars due to twinkling of the stars. When I have explained, do you know? Yesterday only I explained this. Understand? The twinkling of the stars is due to atmospheric refraction. You are right. Next, when a light ray passes from denser medium into rarer medium, the angle of incident for which angle of refraction is maximum is called.
Critical angle.
Very good. So for a critical angle, when we incident with critical angle, the refracted angle is how much? The refracted angle is how much? When we incident with a critical angle, the refracted angle will be how much?
Greater.
How much it is? Greater or value?
Sir.
What is the value? Greater it is right, but what is the value? Once again I am repeating. When we incident with critical angle, what is the refracted angle?
Greater, sir.
How much value it has a specific value?
1.
Not 1, it is 90 degrees. Understand? Next, if the density of the air is greater, then the refractive index will be
Greater.
the density.
Please.
The density of the air is greater, refractive index also greater. Okay. Next, another question. Tell me this question answer. This density is greater, refractive index will also greater. Next question. When light, it is related to total internal reflection. When a light ray travels from denser medium to rarer medium, if the angle of incident is greater than critical angle, the light ray are not refracted, but they are reflected back into the same denser medium. The phenomena is known as.
Total internal reflection.
Very good. Can you tell me what is the conditions to get the total internal reflection? What are the conditions? Conditions for total internal. Very good. The light. Yeah, from your side. It's from your side. Yeah, the light ray must be traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, and also next thing is it is instead with more than critical angle, so total internal reflection takes place. So the answer is what? Total internal reflection is the answer. Next, the same way, in the following questions, identify different options from the other three. Yeah. So first one is 15th one. Glass, water, air, a diamond. Glass, water, air, and diamond. Tell me what is that? Glass, water, air, diamond. Different. Yeah. Glass, water, air, diamond. Huh? Tell me what is the answer? How it is different from other?
Because the diamond is total consists the total internal reflection.
Yeah, it will consist total internal reflection. Huh? In all the cases, you will observe total internal reflection. The only one is air, because glass, water, diamond are denser mediums. Understand? So here air is a rarer medium, so air is your odd one out. Next, same way, 16th one. What is the 16th one? Which option is right for the 16th one? So mirage, rainbow, sparkling of diamond, or dispersion. Among the four options, which option is a different option? Mirage, rainbow, sparkling of diamond, and dispersion. Which option is right? Look at here. The mirage and diamond and rainbow and sparkling of these are related to total internal reflection, TIR. But the dispersion is not related to the total internal reflection, since our answer is what? Dispersion phenomenon. Understand?
Yes.
The next one more we have. So what is the one more? Single correct type question it is. So the thing is, when light ray passes from rarer to denser medium, the angle of deviation is, when light ray traveling from when light ray passes from rarer to denser medium, the angle of deviation. See, this is we can done by using the analysis only. Let's take the situation here. This is a situation, and this is a light ray traveling from which medium to which medium? Light ray is traveling from rarer medium to denser medium. So this is the light ray, and when this is a light ray, and this is your point of incident. What is this here?
Normal.
Very good. In which direction the light ray will bend?
Towards the normal.
Towards the normal. So this is the way the light ray have bent. When this is the way the light ray have bent, if this not changing the medium, this is called angle of incident. This is called angle of reflection. If this light ray is not there, this medium is not a different medium, in which path the light ray will pass? If this medium is here, the light ray is traveling from rarer to denser. If the second medium is not denser medium, it is like a rarer medium. In which direction the light ray will move past? In this direction. The actual path of the light ray is this. Am I right?
Yes.
So when this is your actual path of the light ray, because of the change in medium, it have bent, kada?
Yes.
Now, how much it is bent, how much angle is bent to the actual path, the angle is called deviation angle. So in this case, the deviation angle is, this is your deviation angle. This angle is nothing but deviation angle, generally represented with the letter D. Now, how much is the value of deviation angle? How much is the value of deviation angle? As you observe here, if this is angle of incident, as you observe here, this is angle of incident, this is angle of incident, and this totally called what? Angle of incident only. But this angle of incident, if this is angle of incident, this total also what? Angle of incident only, because they are opposite angles. Understand?
Yes.
But if this is angle of incident, this angle of incident I can write as angle R plus angle D together. So R plus D. Understand? From here, deviation angle is equal to I minus R. So the difference in incident angle and refracted angle will give us what?
I made it.
So what is the answer here?
Yeah.
What is the answer here? A.
Yeah.
A is your answer. Understand?
Yes.
Well done. The next thing is yeah. I'll go for the next slide. Now, the other question is, it appearing the other question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, one more question is, when a light ray passes from denser to rarer medium, angle of deviation is just before case, where to where the light ray is traveling, just before case, denser, rarer to denser medium.
Yes, sir.
Now, the light ray is traveling from where to where? Denser medium to rarer medium. In this case, they are asking what is the angle of deviation. Find out angle of deviation. So this is also we can find by using the diagram. Let us take a diagram here. This is imagine this is a denser medium. This is a rarer medium. So the light ray is passing from which medium to which medium? Denser medium to rarer medium. Now this is called what is this is called? What is this?
Normal.
Normal. Now in which direction the light ray will bend? The light ray traveling from denser to rarer?
Away from the normal.
Away from the normal. So when it is away from the normal, this angle is called angle of incident. This angle is called angle of refraction. Understand? But the thing is, with the same medium, now what is the actual path here? This is your actual path. If the medium is not changed, this is your actual path of the light ray. When this is your actual path of the light ray, then this is called deviation angle. But as you know, this total angle is refracted angle, this angle is deviation angle, and observe that if this is I, even this angle also I1. Understand? Now the thing is, total refracted angle is equal to angle of incident plus deviation angle. Total refracted angle is equal to angle of incident plus deviation angle. From here, deviation angle is equal to, tell me, R minus I. So in this case, the R minus D is your answer. So which option is right now?
C.
Option C is the correct. Okay now? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Next, 19th question. If a ray of light does not undergo refraction at the surface divided to medium, then the angle of deviation is. So once again, I am repeating the question. If a ray light does not undergo refraction at the surface of dividing two media, then the angle of incident is. Simply, so the case is it completed? Can I take out?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this, look at the thing here. This is your boundary of the two mediums. Now if the light ray incident normally, is it passes along the straight line, it can't shows any deviation. It will not show any deviation, it will go straight. When it is go straight, how much is the angle of incident? How much is the angle of incident? The angle of incident is 0 degrees centigrade. Because 0 degrees centigrade means why it is 0 degrees centigrade? So here angle of incident is nothing but angle between normal and the incident light ray. What is meant by angle of incident? Angle between normal and incident ray. But the light ray is traveling normally, so that there is no angle between normal and incident light ray, since it is 0. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next to go for the 20th question. So here in this case answer is D. Next, when a light ray refracts from air to another transparent medium, the values of angle of incident and angle of refraction x and y respectively. What is the refractive index of the medium? So the thing is, when light ray refracts from air to another transparent medium, the values of incident angle and next refracted angle x and y respectively. What is the refractive index of the medium? So here it is the application of what? Snell's law. So what is Snell's law here? Can you tell me? Snell's law. Tell me Snell's law. Mu is equal to sin A by sin R, not V. Sin A by sin R. Here I means incident angle, R means refracted angle. Now this is a, let's see the physical situation. This is the boundary of the two mediums, and this is your light ray, and this is your normal, and this is angle of incident. But how much is the angle of incident they given as y and x? How much is the angle of incident they given? X. So this I is equal to called x. Now this is a refracted ray, so this angle is refracted angle. In the question, what is the refracted angle here? Refracted angle is y. So the same thing you can apply in the refractive index formula. Mu is equal to sin x by sin y. So what is the option now? Sin x by sin y. So what is the option now? Yeah, D. Answer is D. Similar way, dash has the highest refractive index. Who is having highest refractive index? Who is having highest refractive index? The highest refractive index is having by the diamond. In the diamond, the speed of the light ray is 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So this is a very among the all, this is the least velocity of the light. So the diamond having highest refractive index. Next one is 22. Look at the 22 question. What is the speed of the light in water if the refractive index of the water is 1.33? So what is the speed of the light ray in water if the refractive index is 1.33? So what is the formula we have to use to know the answer? Which formula? See, this is not in vacuum, brother. This is asking in the water. They are asking the speed of the light ray in vacuum, no water. So what formula will use this to find the answer? We'll use mu is equal to C by V. Mu is equal to what? C by V. From here, V is equal to what? C by mu. What is the value of C here? What is the value of C here? What is the value of C? 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. What is the value of mu here? Mu value is 1.33. 1.33 also you can write 4 by 3. When it is 4 by 3, then V is equal to 9 into 10 power 8 by 4. Okay, V is equal to what is the half of 9? What is the half of
Also,
9?
9.
Half of 9. Half of 4.5, not 4. In 4.5 half. What is the 4.5 half? Half of 4.5. What? 2.5. So what is the answer?
2.5.
So what is the option then?
2.5 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second.
So this is your answer. Noted. Similarly, 23. Light enters into a glass from A. Light enters into a glass from A. It travels. What is the options? Faster in glass than in air, slower in glass than in air, with the same velocity both in air and glass, at the speed of 4-5 lakhs kilometer per second. So which of the following is correct? Light is entered into the glass from the air, it travels. First option is faster in glass than in the air, slower in glass than in the air.
B, sir.
Yeah, what is the option? B option is correct. Similar way, look at the other questions. So there are the other questions. Next. Tell me this one more question, 24. When a light enters into the medium from another medium, it bends towards the normal. What can you conclude from this? So first one is light is instant normal to the surface separating the two medium. It is not correct. Light enters into the radar medium from the denser medium. Light entered into the denser medium from radar medium, both A and C.
Option B is correct, sir.
Option B is correct. Very good. Why option B is correct? So when light enters into the medium, it bends towards the normal. Very good. So what is the option here? Option B is correct answer. Same way, 25. When light enters into the radar medium from denser medium, when light enters into the radar medium to denser medium, which of the following is correct? Its wavelength remains same. It bends towards the normal. It bends away from the normal. Both A and C.
Option C, sir.
Option C is the correct answer. Understand? Same way, a glass rod refractive index is 1.42 immersed in a kerosene. The refractive index of the kerosene is 1.42. Then the rod will become invisible, appears bent, appears raised above the liquid, none of the above. So what is the answer? A glass rod refractive index is 1.42. Imagine a kerosene, the refractive index is 1.42. So what is the options here? Not none of these. The rod is become invisible. Understand? Because glass rod and kerosene, both refractive indexes are same. When glass rod refractive index, kerosene refractive index are same, it can't be visible. When it appears visible, when it appears, when refractive index of the both are different, then it will appear. But here the thing is not possible because these two are having the same refractive index, so that become invisible. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Next, last and final. A refracted ray bends towards the normal when the speed of light ray towards the normal decreases or increases?
Decrease.
Decrease. So this is the answers. So for today, we stop the session. In the next class, we'll give numericals. With the numericals, we completed our light chapter. So next, after that, I'll start new concept. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So bye for today.